Trying some bird watching right now. Just gonna trying to spot some birds. Not really having much luck. At Indian Creek Nature Center. Right now we're watching a telly with a bird watching group. Guys, pick up this teepee. And there's a little hole.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, a little bit of hole there. And then, see, there's that's from a worm.
Watch. Is that the teepee? Okay, wait a minute. Now.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just show you one.
You actually see the worm?
Oh, well, you know, one time I did, and it actually looked more like a, it's going to be A18. Oh, nice. Yeah, since coming out. Yeah.
So I'm with a bird watching group right now. This is vlog number, I don't know what. Guys, with the bird watching group, they're behind me. Just kind of looking for birds.
That's not that song. See how tinny it is? Yeah. Can you see him sing? Yeah. Well, let me take my sunglasses off. It's got a longer tail, white on the throat, and oh, come on, buddy. Don't go down. And this is just a different. Boy, that doesn't sound like I have to record that.
Birds up in that tree.
Yeah.
So, I'm not exactly sure what kind, probably sapsucker. Just a good day for birding. Today, free this rock up from Grandma and Grandpa's driveway. Using the shovel so I can move the tractor. This flying slowbro here. Walking up to the second culvert because there's a tree down the road there, or a tree down the tractor trail. So yeah. See you when we get there. I've been sawing away at some of these branches off this dead tree. Just built up the stack of wood. As you see, it has arms. And yeah. Hey guys, Flying Slowbro here. Just carrying a log over to be stacked. Right here. This shall do. Set it in place and stacking, or at least for that pile and that pile. Yeah, sorry about the paint pot in the background. Stacking the wood and we're heading back, so see you when we get there.